We are going to discuss about the logarithms. Logarithms. Any positive real number. Let's say some n, and the n can be written in the form of a power x. Here a power x equals to n. Then x equals to log to the base a n. Here a must be greater than 0 and a unequal to 1, because for example log 10 equals to 1. Log 10 is nothing but base 10 equals to 10 equals to 10 power 1. 10 equals to 10 power 1. If we take log 20 to the base 1, then we cannot find the answer, because any power raised to 1 is equals to 1, and most of you know that it is true, equals to 1. Example, 1 power 20 equals to 1. 1 power 2000 equals to 1. Like that, the 1 power any number equals to 1. So the a must be unequal to 1 and it must be greater than 0. If a equals to 0, then we know that 0 power x equals to 0, where x should not be equals to 0. If we take 0 power 0, then it is undefined. It is undefined, and I think you people understood it very well. Now it is the basics of logarithms, and it must be like that. So 0 power 0 is undefined. Why undefined means 0 2 minus 2 equals to 0 power 0 equals to 0 power 1 equals to 0 power 2 equals to 0 power 3 equals to 0 power 4. So we can write a number of times like this. Hence 0 power 0 is undefined. Hence 0 power 0 is undefined. For example, 2 power 2 by 2 power 2 equals to 2 power 2 minus 2 equals to 2 power 0 equals to 1. Okay. A power m by a power n equals to a power m minus n. If m equals to n, then a power m by a power n equals to 1. 2 square equals to 4. 2 square equals to 4. 4 by 4 equals to 1. Similar to this, 0 square by 0 square equals to 0 by 0 equals to, and we all know that 0 by 0 is undefined. Hence, A should not be equals to B equal to 0 and 1. And you guys have understood this very well. So to continue this more again and again, please subscribe to our channel, and we will continue the next in the another video. So stay tuned, like, subscribe,